Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to install Gboard on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now, if you want to change the keyboard on your iPhone to Google Gboard, just go to your home screen and open the App Store. Then in the search bar, just search this and install this app on your iPhone. Tap on Open, then tap on Get Started. From here, just tap on Enabling Full Access. Tap on Get Started, then tap on Keyboards. Now just make sure you enable the toggle for Gboard and make sure you enable the toggle for Allow Full Access. Select Allow, and after you enable both of these toggles, then go to your home screen and open the keyboard on your iPhone. Now on your iPhone's keyboard, you will find this globe icon. Now just tap on the icon and enable Gboard on your iPhone. Now if you cannot enable Google Gboard by tapping on this globe icon, then go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now after your iPhone finishes restarting, just open the keyboard and tap on the globe icon over here. And after you do that, you will open Gboard on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can install Gboard on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.